Good afternoon, this is Tyler Hill with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. You're looking at a beautiful trade that just came in, a 2014 Intrepid 39 sport yacht, a one-owner boat in Fort Lauderdale. Really well taken care of boat. Perfect day boat for the family, little fishing, little diving, little cruising. Give you a quick walk through the boat. Got the optional bench seat in the back here that folds away when you're fishing. Really nice electric helm seat. It raises, it lowers, goes forward and back. Really nice Garmin package, autopilot, bow thruster, nice Fusion stereo system. Beautiful hardtop on the boat. New strata glass enclosure. Really nice seating here for entertaining. Good walk-arounds to the bow as well. Nice and wide, nice and safe. Got some nice seating up here. There is a refrigerator and this little storage area here. And the boat has a really nice cabin as well. Had no problem doing a weekend on this boat. Hop into the cabin. Full appointed galley, refrigerator. Really nice V-berth set up here. You also have a couch that converts. Diesel generator, air conditioning of course. Full stand-up head and shower. Just under 300 hours on the 300 Yamahas. It's a 50-mile-an-hour boat without a problem. The Intrepids are hard to find. Give us a call today. 954-783-9555. Again, this is Tyler Hill with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. We'll do a quick pan of our beautiful marina here. Full service yard. Again, 2014 Intrepid 39 sport yacht. Available immediately. And your trades are also welcome. Thanks for looking.